for the continuation of the components of culture, let's first go to technology. In the vast changing world driven by technology, it has been the basis of guidance for scientific and empirical evidences to prove what is fact and fiction, like using the lie detector test for knowing if someone is lying or not, or even the use of some software applications like the SPSS for variables and measurement for researches to be processed and for data proving. But because of technology, life is made easier for the guidance of men. Through time, lifestyles are evolving and growing, but in culture, some things are left unchanged. Social culture guided us from what our ancestors came up, and until now, we are following them. The close family orientation of the Filipinos, the fanaticism of the famous people, and the unpopular are left for granted, mostly in politics. And another good thing is the hospitality of the Filipinos, which is mostly famous worldwide. Since the conversion of our ancestors, still, until now, we embrace Catholicism and Christianity in our country. We use this as our own system of faith and beliefs, and also the traditions that we still practice until now. And the superstitions still made it through because of the practices of our elderly, mostly in our provinces, that they still live in ignorance about superstition. We Filipinos are guided in the rules and policies of the authorities. Aside from the laws of the land that we follow, the different rules from our own traditions and culture, this is somewhat amusing that we are practicing it until now. Like, one tradition is in courting a woman, that the man must serve her family before having her hand for marriage. Or one example is how we give high respect to our elders that until now we still follow. Next is our music, arts, and recreational activities that it helps people in guiding them how to express and pour out feelings. People relieve stress and suppress emotions through art, which is healthy and instead of other means that can compromise them and put them to danger and also in others. Other aggressions are also released through sports and other outdoor indoor activities that can result to more productive outputs. In the second part of components of culture, we earlier talked about technology, social culture, beliefs and traditions, rules and regulations, and arts and recreation. These components encompasses the anthropological basis of guidance and counseling, mostly here in the country. As guidance and counseling slowly grows in the country, these factors will be changed and to be added with different multicultural learning. This has been Jeremy Caballes, signing out.